I'm going to show you how to host Linux in Parsec, or basically run Parsec in a computer that is running Linux operating system. So if you're running a Ubuntu or Debian operating system, you can use this command line right here to install Parsec for Linux, or you can install it via distro's packet manager if it is available. Then you will need to run this command right here on the host machine to check if it is detecting any GPUs, because that's required for hardware encoding to have the best performance. And if you run this command and it says that parsec encoder is unavailable, that's most likely going to cause a problem and hosting won't work for you. Now, once everything is good and the GPU is being detected, you will need to use a supported desktop session. Usually Xorg session works the best. So once you log in and everything is ready, you will need to open up Parsec and go to the settings and then host tab. And from here, make sure hosting is set to enabled. And the last thing you'll need to do is make sure the firewall is not blocking the Parsec port. Usually the ports should work automatically when you install it, because there's 8,000 ports and a 8020 port. So once you're ready, you can simply start the sharing process. Click on share and copy the link, and then connect to your Linux operating system computer from your other computer, and you can start using and hosting Linux on Parsec. That's pretty much it for this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and see you on the next one.